guys, this is Rica. I have here some chicken wings. I will show you how to make a simple, quick, moist, crunchy and crispy fried chicken wings. Stay tuned! The chicken wings is all cleaned and I will season it now with salt, half a teaspoon of garlic granules. There you go. The black pepper powder is the fresh milk. So what you have to do is to make sure that it's covered with milk, and we'll leave it for until it's ready, about best possible 1 hour to 2 hours in the fridge, and we will fry it later on. So there you go. Very easy, very convenient, and it will be yummy when it's done. So stay tuned. So I have covered it with cling film, and I will put it in the fridge to set. I will leave it for 2 hours until dinner time, and it will be ready to fry later on. Sleep tight, chicken wings. See you later. So here it is, guys. It has been marinated for a few hours, and now it's ready to fry. We have to take out from the sauce. We will separate the chicken in one plate, just like that. Ready for the frying. Have to deep fry it to make it crispy. Here I have the remaining gravy that was extracted from the marinade. Now what I have to do is put 1 tablespoon of flour and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it together to form butter, and we will saute chicken. Our chick. We will soak our chicken wings into this butter, and so it will be crispy. So it will be crispy. Let's check our cooking oil. Make sure that your cooking oil is piping hot. I think it's ready. So what we have to do is put this chicken into the butter, soak it like that, shake a little bit to drain all the remaining extra butter out of the chicken, and then we'll put it here into the frying pan, and now it's boiling. You can tell that the oil is ready. We should add more to it, just like the previous one, just like that. Shake a bit and put it there, and repeat until our pan is full and until our pan is full. should have cut this into 2 pieces or 3 with a winglet as well, but never mind, it's up to you really. But this time I did it as this one, so it's fine. And now our pan is full. I'm just waiting for the wheat to turn brown, and I'm sure it will turn out alright. So let it cook until it's golden brown, and we will turn it around when the bottom part is turning brown. It's not quite ready yet, but and ready to eat. Let's eat. Crispy. Yum. It's crispy and juicy. Ooh, yummy. Yummy.